Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Therese, today. Alright, yo. Before the video start, we have a Artix IO. Is that what it's called? Artix IO, however you say. We got an unlimited Artix IO method, so we can create unlimited Artix account. And I told you I don't wait on the coaches. Never wait for nobody that's not gonna be there and laugh at you. So yeah. So and the coaches don't care about y'all. So I got y'all with the method. I went out my way to do this. And yeah, so you can be like, oh, Therese, why you posting so many methods? I went out my way to get y'all right. So that's all that matters. But yeah, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is go to a password generation. So yeah, like I said, there's a lot of these coaches. So your favorite coaches don't post as many methods like me. Your favorite coaches ain't out there like me. Your favorite gurus ain't as consistent like me. Your favorite coaches, favorite gurus. So yeah, so, and I'm going to show you Leo Grunt. When I went to his video last night, I was looking at it and then I clicked off for it, but I was sitting there looking at his video. Bro didn't really, he didn't really bring none that I really wanted to the table for real. All he was just doing is like saying, oh, you go to Discord here, and then this is how you do this and do that. Like, he wasn't really giving y'all what y'all came for real. So, and I seen him over here. I don't have nothing against Leo. Leo been in the game for a minute, but since he can't do his job over here, I'll give y'all a method. But you see right here. 4 days ago, he pulled 3.2K, which is crazy that Augment's still pushing this, but we can see literally what he's doing is he's going over niche. How niche got that revenue per milli.
Imagine being able to build anything just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
So what is up? My name is Leo. I became a millionaire on YouTube at the age of 20, running a ton of channels like this one. What you're seeing on the screen right way that you can get the transcript is simply...
yeah, so you go to YouTube transcript downloader and then you go to 11 Labs for the voiceover. Yeah, so there's no secret. All you're just doing is you're getting a transcript to the competitor's video, and you're taking his work and angle, and you're gonna make a way better script than his. That's the method. You make a way better script than you get that structure 1 in 20 videos. If you don't pass over 100K views or 500K views or close to 500K, close to 1 million within 1 to 30 videos, then your niche is bad. Your niche is bad. If you're 2K, you're getting 2K, 5K views. That means your customers are full. You gotta find better title angles escaping. But yeah. Alright, so let me get straight to the point right here for this wasn't what that video is for. It's for the Artix method that I came for was in the title. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to this method right here. We're gonna go to here. We're gonna basically scroll back. So we're gonna scroll back real quick. We're gonna go to passwords right here, password generation. So we're gonna go to password generation, it's free. And like I said, y'all came for the Artix method, and the Artix method is what's in the title, so it's what y'all came for. I delivered it right. So what you do is you come over to a password generator tool. And sorry for all the noise in the background. There's a funeral going on down the street where I'm living at. But yeah, so I'm sorry for all the noise. I apologize, but yeah. All right, so yeah, but what we're gonna do is go to the password generator. If somebody had died, somebody close to my relatives in my family. But yeah, their funeral was like down at the church where I'm living at right now. So yeah, so I'm sorry for all the noise in the background if y'all can hear that. Cars pulling up, but yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go to start for free now. Alright, so now what I want to do is basically no credit card is needed. No credit cards required, which is great. So yeah, so some sites do that require credit cards, but this one don't, so we have a leeway to that. So what I also do is go to the generation. So let's say if you would basically want to generate a thumbnail and you don't have the money to pay for it, I got you. So all you just got to do is make unlimited accounts, use 10 mile, and you're good. So let's say if we basically want to go to here and we basically want to go to one of these. Let's say if we want to basically go to one of these. You know the basketball. Let's go to a basketball. Let's say for Angel Reese basketball, or WNBA, Angel Reese. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna prompt it and how we're gonna have AI basically give us a transformative version to the thumbnail. So we're gonna go to MVP Media, and I'm gonna show you how I can do this with the breaking news stuff. But yeah, you see MVP Media 1 in 96 videos. He has close to about 1 million views right here. And yeah, all right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to this one of his most popular ones right here. So we're gonna use, for example, today we're gonna use basically the Angel Reese one. So yeah, we're gonna use this one. Yeah, I don't like the thumbnail. I don't like it, but let's find a way better one. Let's find a way better one that we can use. Yeah, so I'm gonna come up to here, and that's how I'm able to run as many channels. So yeah. Alright, so Mr. Sports 10 months ago. Alright, so I want to see one right here. Alright, so videos. Alright, so of course you want to find an East that's active, of course. It can't be more than 7 months not inactive, of course, but yeah. So, I want to do, for example, I want to use Angel Reese. So, Angel Reese is, I want to use Angel Reese YouTube, downloader, generations. I want to use YouTube downloader. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna go to YouTube downloader right here. I want to basically paste this, whoa, I want to close that, paste this URL there, close that, and you can see that we have this. So what I want to do is open this a new tab. I want to basically go to save images as, and what we want to do is basically give this to Arctic. So we're using Arctic right now. So what I want to do is give it to Arctic, and what we want to basically have Arctic do is basically analyze this competitive thumbnail, but we want to basically use, so we want to use Arena. So if y'all was in my other video, I seen I leaked the Arena method. So now this video is for the Arctic method. So if you was wondering, oh, how do I get Arctic for free, bro? I need to get Arctic. This is the video for you to have. So I want to add an image refurbish. So image refurbish is like example of the image you want to do. So I want to basically say so accept. So this is the Angel Reese one right here, right? So what I want to do is basically now go over to our Gemini chat. So what I'm gonna basically no, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. So we can use ChatGPT. So yeah, we can use ChatGPT. So what I'm gonna just do is go to ChatGPT. No, we're gonna use Arena. We're gonna use Arena because I just got done leaking our method, so we're gonna use that. Yeah, we're gonna use Arena. Yeah, that'll work. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is go to new chat, open up a new chat. Alright, so what we're gonna do is paste this here. What we're gonna do is basically now get a prompt for. So we're gonna basically we're gonna have it. So give me a prompt to make me an look a like transformative one of this thumbnail. Give me the JSON V code and the prompt to the thumbnail, but with better fonts and text on screen, just like this layout, but with Angel Reese on it. Transformative versions. Alright, so what it's gonna do is now give me the transformative version. So this is alright. So this is your limited hit. Alright, so want to basically use Gemini. So Gemini works really well. So like I said, if that's doing that, we could just go and use Gemini. Gemini is unlimited too. So what I basically do is go to here. Want to basically paste this. Want to go up to this image right here. Want to basically paste this here. I want to have the thumbnail right there. So what I want to do is hit the enter right there, and then we hit the square thing. Alright, so what's going to happen now is it's going to do analytics. Alright, so it's going to basically scan through the thumbnail, but yeah. So it's going to basically scan through the thumbnail, but yeah. So what it's going to now do is scan through the Angel Reese thumbnail, and I ain't going to lie, Angel Reese is cute as hell. And Angel Reese, if you don't think I'm shooting my shot, because I'm not. I'm ugly. I can't pull no bitches, can't pull no girls, but yeah. Alright, and I'm sorry for my language, but yeah. Alright, so what's going to now do is give us a prompt, and yeah. Alright, so what I'm going to do is give me the JSON V, and this is the trick of it. So we basically give AI the JSON V code, and we give it the transformative version so it could come out when it look like thumbnail, and then we give it a refers one. So yeah. Yeah. So we give it this. We go to generate free, and now what's gonna do is generate a free version. So we're gonna have a transformative version look like version, but yeah. So we give it a reference right here. So and if Arena runs out, do the Arena Unlimited method. Just create another account, and boom, you got it. So yeah. So yeah. You can use a VPN, whatever you need, but yeah, you can do it in the incognito mode tab. I don't think it tracks your IP. Some sites do, but some sites don't, but yeah. Alright, so what I'm going to do is basically go to almost ready. 78%, 79%. It's going to basically now load. So it's going to basically now load up, and yeah. So 90% right here is going to now load. And like I said, with this method, you can make unlimited thumbnails. So if you wanted to run it, you can run hella niches. So yeah. Alright, so what I have to do is basically so. What it did was let's see the version right here. So let's see this. So what I'm gonna do is basically tell it to basically make me. I'm gonna say so. make me a different one but similar one. Here's the prompt and the JSON V code to the competitors one. I need a transformative one, not a copy one. Alright, so what we're gonna do is go to generate free, and we go to this, and we can use it. So now what's gonna do is your image is ready, so it's gonna basically get you on the way. So yeah, and what y'all could do, so when this runs out right here, you could just go to here, go to 10 mile, create another one. But yeah, but that's how you create unlimited Artix accounts. I seen the Artix method was Artix.io, whatever, however you say it. This method was needed, and y'all asked me, yo, Therese, you could go through and leak the Artix.io method, bro. I need that method, bro. So yeah, we came through, we leaked it, and yeah, so like I said, this is what you really need. Also, I'm gonna leak next is how to get unlimited voiceover. So if you want to get human voiceovers, and I got another site what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna try to leak a method for that one too. I have as many methods, bro. I told y'all my Google Docs folder is filled with all these methods, filled with almost 2,000 methods. It's full, holy, bro. My Twitter's full, like almost like 2,021 posts, 21K posts, but yeah. So we fucking destroyed them through the years of this YouTube automation stuff, and I'm still going, but we fucking destroyed them, bro. We destroyed them. So yeah, so you can see that here's Angel Reese, and then here's him, and then you can see full exposure, Reese's season collapse, and yeah, so you see that it made a full thumbnail. So this is 1280x720p. So if we wanted to right here, we could basically do is go to open a new tab, and boom, we got the thumbnail. So you can see that it's optimized and it's real high quality enough. So it did it like a designer would do. But like I said, I got you over the method. If you get hit with an IP link, you can use your burn VPN or soft leader. What I mean by your burn VPN, I mean your burn right here, or you can use soft leader. So if you get it limited, but yeah, you can use it if you want to use VPNs. But yeah, so you can see that it basically made us a lookalike thumbnail. So this was the first competitors one, and then this was the one that we made transformative. So yeah, so I basically gave it a prompt. I gave it over here. It was the prompt over here. So I'm going to basically give y'all this chat right here where I could look through it. So yeah, this was the prompt we gave it, and I told it made me a transformative version. Not a lookalike version, but yeah, so I made it transformative. But yeah, lookalike one, transformative, that don't look like something that's going to give me like inauthentic. But yeah, so it went through, and it basically added, it took breaking news out. It added full exposures, recent season collapse, and you can see breaking news. But yeah, so you can see it looks way different before, after. But yeah, but if you like this method, be sure to drop a like. But this is a full Artix method.